What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to refill your Zippo lighter. Steps and things you'll need. Lighter fluid, especially for Zippos. You can go to Walgreens and purchase this. Just say, can I get some lighter fluid? They'll ask for what? Say Zippo. Alright. Make sure the lighter's good. Mine just ran out. Pull it out of its shell. You'll get to this. You might have not known, but yes, you can pull this out. You'll have this little cotton thing. Shell bleed. This thing is just a shell, yep. Alright, you can set the shell down because this is what we're going to be focusing on. Okay. Going to want to take a tissue and lay it down. Now fold it once. You can set the Zippo down. You don't want any of this getting anywhere. Alright, now you're going to want to fold this flap up. And you'll get to this. Yeah. Alright. So what you're going to do is open up your lighter fluid. Pull up that flap under the napkin or whatever you're using because it's going to leak through. Well, yours might, but mine's kind of old, so yeah, mine will. From the extras. Alright, now just pour. Uh-oh. Until it starts to leak through the other side, or until you see it starting to fill up. When you get a reasonable amount, close it. Get your shell ready, then quickly transport it back into the shell. Now wipe. Make sure you got no fluid on your fingers. And proceed to light your lighter. And that is how you refill a Zippo lighter. Thank you for watching.